Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So today I'm here to show you what a empty ramp look like. This is what it is like when it's empty, no activity, nothing going on. And then I'm going to show you when it is fully active. So please sit back and enjoy the ride. Enjoy the video. So this is an empty ramp, you see. There's just one guy walking across. There's no plane and it has yet. So whenever I have some plane to hey, empty ramp tour. Empty ramp tour. See, beautiful. Uh-huh. Right, little place over there that you see is the fire station. In case of any emergency with fire. And over there, that thing up in the air is a tower that signal the plane. Alright, so this is an empty tour. Um, this flight is, let me see, American Airlines.
Any trouble?
No, no. That's called the conveyor belt. Conveyor belt is used to slide up the bags in the bulk hole or slide it out, and that is a container that they pack them in. And this right here is called a fluid truck. See in the wings of the plane. You see those big engine, those wind that come out. It's used to fluid it. Guys, this aircraft right here is JetBlue. So we have multiple aircraft. So I'm gonna do a little air airport viewing of aircraft. Viewing of aircraft, yes. So this one would be JetBlue. This is beautiful.
This service from Toronto. Passengers will listen what you please. Meaning, this flight will then return on next flight 21 at this service to Toronto. Thank you.
See the fuel right there? It's gonna fuel the aircraft wing. You see it?
JetBlue is so pleased with California customers on their customer and consumer rates. And firstly, what you learn, please let them know where you're at. It's time to have your trust application verified.
So that's the aircraft just coming in. Hmm? That's an aircraft just coming in. It's going to its gates. That's the Florida truck just flew the aircraft and it's moving away. Mm, that's the Florida truck. That's the truck that flew in the aircraft. When I say fluid, it put the fluid at the wing of the aircraft. So you can get a closer look. That is it. And this over here, that little flatbed thing, is the conveyor belt that rises to the aircraft door, and you put the bags on it and it run the bag straight into the bulk. This vehicle coming right here now, that vehicle is the MBJ. Whoa, look at this, guys. Look at this. The tug is pushing back the aircraft, and there's another aircraft out there coming in. See that? Look at it. See me can get fueling, 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 fueling. Let's have fueling. That's how you drive the aircraft on the ground. And this one is pushing out, and then um, so that little small thing named the tug is very powerful. It used to push back the aircraft. Look at that. This is a further protocol for all passengers who return this flight 418 with service to Japan KDB or gates number 9. Once again, a further protocol, further announcement for all passengers who return this flight 418 with service to Japan KDB or gates number 9. The flight will be for early and departure. Mm-hmm.
Paging one China representative, that is one China representative. Please check remember at gate number 9. Once again, paging one China representative. Please check remember at gate number 9.
Push the aircraft all the way around. That is it. Push it around and straighten it up so it's gonna run on the runway. Look at that. God, God, you could have broke my foot. Yeah. They have to go sad, man.
No, when they if you put the down, back like a dog, you're frightened. When it was like, then you what was another?
You have to go cut out. You have to go cut it out. No, move now, no. aircraft coming. This one is going to watch, take off, take off. Whoa. Come on, come on. This one is Southwest, just coming with a whole lot of passenger from all over the world. Come to see our beautiful country, our beautiful Caribbean country, Jamaica. All right, this one just coming in, and that one over there, which is jet blue, is getting ready to leave. So over here, tug is hooked up to this one. You see, guys, this is hooked up, ready to push the aircraft to go out there. All right, so four-wheeler truck gone. Three-wheeler truck has just leave, and this is the Southwest plane that just landed. Going to its gate. And this one here now, they're gonna see the whole settings. They're gonna push it straight to the middle of the ramp for it to take off. So see the guy go inside the truck there. They move the cone from around the plane. So this is it now. So whenever you see that red beacon light come on, you know it's time for it to push. It's not ready as yet. Sure. Alright. Then we move the catch from behind the wheel. Mm-hmm. Catch is moved from behind the wheel, and the driver get inside the tub, and the cone they move it from around the aircraft. So the aircraft is getting ready now to take off. Not to take off, to push it out in the middle of the ramp so it can straighten up to take off. Boy, come back out of the tub. Remove the catch from under the wheel. Mm-hmm.
I had no idea that something like 65. And 7 gun been broken or
Come on already. They have to get the go ahead from the captain before they can start pushing. So I guess they're waiting on that. So the truck is leaving. Now, let me see what's going on. Hmm. They're getting their, I think calling stick there where they have to signal the plane and it should push and move. Hmm. See the guys them right there with their cone thing. So the cone thing that they have in their hand is used to signal the plane for it to go forward or backward and then the guy sitting in the tug seat. So the tug is out there and you connect the tug to the aircraft and it's gonna push it all the way back till it reach in the middle out there. Reach in the middle, straighten up, and then it took off. But
That's a very sad story. This one. Very, very sad.
what's taking the plane so long to move? Hmm. Hey! Yeah, that's the beacon light up there. You see that little red thing on the top flashing? It's called the beacon light. That means the plane is ready. The aircraft is ready to move. Yeah. That little red light flashing on the top. Can't you see, guys? Right there in the middle. Yeah. Flashing, flashing. Yes. Flashing. That means pilot is giving the signal for the plane to move. So here it comes now, guys. See the tug is getting ready to push the. Yes. Here it is now. Moving, moving. See it? Moving, moving. And see the guys them walking out there, trafficking. See it? It's moving, it's moving, it's moving. See that? Push all the way from the gate. Yeah. See that thing there? All the way from the gate. Yeah. Tug. Push it, push it. So it's gonna straighten it up. Hmm.
Look, why have you doing jet fuel?
Huh?
Why have you doing jet fuel?
Because I feel like. Alright, see that turn, guys? See that turn? See that turn? That is it. Position it, straighten it. See it? Just as I told you that. So the tug, straighten it in the middle of the ramp for it to drive and take off. This is it. This is it. That is it. Right? That is it. Mm, that one is TUI. Glory aircraft over there. TUI, so we come back. This is it. So see it all straight. So they're gonna remove, see the guy right there? He's gonna remove that thing from it that used to push it. See that's the tug moving away. Uh-huh. Yeah. That is it. That is it. Right, right.
Japanese major calling customers on flight
Mm-hmm.
267 for Lauderdale.
Yeah, this is it. See,
Courtesy
move
West
away
Orange
now with the
Shine
thing that
Voice Line.
you use
Please
to can
proceed
the
to
plane there.
Houston
Take it
to
off,
stay
sir.
agent.
Driving it back all the way back. We'll park it and then that's the flight right there. So now it's straightened, so it's gonna take off at any minute now. Gonna run the runway. Alright. So those red light come on back again, that means it's ready again to go.
May I have your attention, please? This is a safety boarding announcement. Our passengers resting on incoming flight 78-1 Servicing Toronto, the aircraft is there parked at gate number 16 and is being cleaned and catered for your convenience. Boarding should commence momentarily. If you have any questions or concerns, please come see us
See the
here
red light
at
beacon
gate
light, that
68
means
waiting
it's
for your
gonna move
clearance.
right now. See the light flashing at
In
the
the
top.
meantime, you can
It's gonna
remain
move
comfortable
right now.
seated. Thank you.
And that's what a
This is
conveyor
a
belt
very
look like.
natural boarding
See that?
protocol.
That thing is what used to bring the bag to the bulk pool.
Before landing. To make seasoning, so your flight is ready for attitude.
Right? So right, see it moving now. Moving now, guys. Moving. Watch it move. Moving. 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 Yeah, driving. So that is it. Making that turn. Mm-hmm.
Please proceed to so your flight is ready for attitude and departure. There is also automated running from
So that is it, guys. So if you like the video, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So bye until next time. Mm-mm. This is a aircraft that is ready to take off. Can you see it, guys? Let me look closer. Can you see? Mm-mm. Yeah, I'm sitting down.
Yes. They have money.
Look at that, guys. It's a very busy Saturday at the airport. Look how we have planes lining up and waiting. That's one, two, three, four, five.
If you're sitting in please wait here
Very,
and
very busy day.
messages while
One, two. Oh my gosh, look at the airport. Look at the airport, guys. Very busy day.
Ghost. They have that.
What you want to see? Everything you want to see.
You check out my channel.
Me don't know how much people,
And I see
much flight, they
how
ready
much
one
around
time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
As the
8,
Delta, you have
9,
to,
10, 11, 12.
as the Delta right, that's a soon push back.
They need the runway for extending at this.
But they never see have an extension of the so you know.
Mm.
Let us talk about channel.
Channel?
Yeah.
Girl, don't you know that they have a YouTube channel? You know?
No sir, where
You don't
YouTube
know?
channel is all about.
Family vlogging, little culture, like you know. Check you out, man. Go take out your phone. Nicola Noble 24.
Yeah,
You're in
fun.
a place busy.
Where me tell you.
Yeah.
Again, this is a beach international. Customers check non-Southwest Airlines flight 905 services to Baltimore. Please be incorporated around to April 4th and ensure you remain at departure for 8:24.
See that? Straight through the cloud, out of sight. That is intense. See another one now.